This is Dr. R. Anand. I've done my master's and doctorate in computer science. I'm a totally of 21 years of experience, and with Guru Nanak, I'm with 11 years, and I worked in the capacity of assistant professor as HOD of MCE and the dean for skill development. In fact, skill development is the most focused area today, the entire universe, because of the emerging needs of the industries, and one cannot survive in any industry without proper skills. I am proud to say that Guru Nanak is the first college which has initiated the Skill Development Center, and today the industry expectations is very high. Having said that, every industry experts their employ, and they want their employees to be employable right from day one. There is no breathing time for any of the graduates to go and get trained with the industry, and they have some breathing time. It is not like that. Today the episode has entirely changed. That is the reason we are saying that every college and every organization should think of upskilling and reskilling their employees, and only with that effective placements can be done. Even the engineers with the existing industries, they are now upskilling their employees on different technologies. There are two aspects that has to be taken care of. One is the employment factor, and two is the sustainability factors. First, getting an employment itself is today is very tough, and one has to be very shrewd enough to have high skill sets to get placed. The second aspect is the sustainability. Every employee today is sustainable if he has the caliber to work effectively with an organizations. That is the reason that we focus more on this skill development. I'm saying that the academic degrees are important, and apart from the academic degrees, it's very much important that every individual, every young graduate should be skilled with the technological side. We are associated with certain companies like Amazon, Cisco, and Oracle. We identify the demands of the industry. That is done from the job portals of NSDC. We talk to the NSDC officials and the skill development officials and identify the skill sets. We also talk to different companies and our recruiters. What is their demand actually? So based on that, we train our students. We are focused on giving them more of international certifications. And in fact, companies like Amazon and Cisco, after getting trained from their experts, they hold our resumes of our students in their database, so that it becomes win-win for both of us. Like both the companies can take direct employable graduates, and we are happy that our students are also getting placed.